fun facts about pronunciation. Alright? Yes. So this is your time to talk about your most relevant to the most of the words, right? Well, yes. So can you pronounce first two, 1 and 2?
Weekdays and genre.
Okay, very good. And 3 and 4, madam. Okay, and okay. Then 6 and 7, madam. First.
Jeopardizing student.
Yes, okay, this is very common, okay? This is a very common, you do every day here, right? So that's for the sound we can practice pronunciation, okay? Preface, alright? Preface, alright? Genre, this is B-E-R-Y, okay? Put in something inside of the, okay? And that is the barrel, this is not barrel, this is barrel. Okay? Very process. Okay? Entrepreneur, right? And lieutenant. Okay? Jeopardize, student. Buffet or buffet, both are correct. Okay? And the restaurant. Alright? And artificial. Okay? There is one thing you can say that C-I-A-L. Whenever the word ends with T-I-A-L and T-I-L, they can be called not shell, okay, shell. They can be called what? Shell, artificial, okay, official, residential. Is that clear? So you have to keep it in mind. These are the simple, silly measures, but you lose marks for these things actually.